India, people are encouraged to vote to fulfill their duties as citizens of a democratic country. Young individuals are also challenged to participate in the process. So here are the types of democracy. First, the classical democracy. Classical, also called Athenian democracy. Male citizens deliberated and voted on issues. Second, liberal democracy. Liberal democracy by Western countries. Third, liberal democracy, compatible with the market system. Here are the elements of democracy and forms of democracy.
Good day everyone, so this is my topic, competition for power. So competition for power kay makuha na siya throughout election. For example, di ba, ang mga politics kay ginabuhat gid nila ang tanan para makuha nila ang vote sa mga tao. Kay if makuha nila ang vote sa mga tao, naa siya power na makat-on dayon. Muna siya ang competition for power din. Ganito yung participation in civic and political life. Kaya ganito siya. Once ma-politician na ka, ma-involve na imong every decision sa mga tao, gina-expect na ka sa mga tao na mo serve sa ila. That is why there's stress. There's stress the political life. So muna siyang participation in civic and political life, guys. Then ganito yung respect for individual rights. Kaya ganito siya is respect for individual rights kay we all have different opinions man na decisions and perspective, and dapat respetuhon nato na sila sa mga tao. So muna siyang respect for individual rights. Then ganito yung lesson kay rule of law. So kanang rule of law no kay every action na mabuhat sa mga tao kay dili kay siya basta-basta lang. That is why naa tay rules of law para naay way na ma-discipline ang mga tao and to also justify every action na mabuhat sa mga tao. And that's it.
Forms of democratic rule. First is choosing a representative kanang ang citizen mapili isang representative about sa halimbawa sa mga political. Then second is directly participating in the process kanang nagawa ka nang na pili na ka-represent sa mga citizen. Direct na natin kung mag-participate. Representative democracy, elected people who will act on behalf of the constituency. Kanang gapili sila sa mga tao nga maglihok sa ngalan sa ilang mga nasasakupan. Then direct democracy, the people will decide for themselves without their need for any representative. Kanang mga tao daw kay sila ang mag-decide sa ilang kaugalingon without representative.